Good morning, everybody. It's Sunday. Happy Funday Sunday. Well, it rained, storm, thunder, lightened and everything last night. It was crazy. So I don't have very many deer today, but Marion Jr. showed up and I have some Cardinals hanging out with me. So my place is really muddy, and I mean, I didn't get much sleep last night because the thunderstorms were so loud. So Marion Jr. was waiting by the fence this morning, so I went ahead and came out and dumped all the bowls because they were full of water, that kind of thing. So I put the food around the tree here, even spots around the tree. It's just heavy rain. If anybody needs rain, I can give you ours. So I dumped the water, the bowls. I dumped all the water that was in the bowls and put the food in. Kind of made loud noises as I was putting the food in to see if anybody else would come out. So it's kind of late. It's 7:30 in the morning, so I'm pretty sure they all stopped by. Like I said, I didn't sleep very well, so I woke up and seen old Marion Jr. here, so I thought, well, I'll at least feed him. Yeah, I gotta get these horns growing for him. Give him some food. Get those horns growing. They're growing up a little bit more. They're starting to poke through. So, and then we have Cardinals. I always have lots of Cardinals around. So, this other guy here too. Get in for you guys. So, I thought I would at least come on here. I came home last night. I did not see them, but it was raining when I arrived home from work. Busy day in the salon, and so anyways, there we go. So I hope you guys have a good Sunday fun day. I don't know what the weather's supposed to do for the rest of the day. I have not looked. Kind of tired of the rain. I know everybody else is hollering for rain. I'm asking it for it to kind of stop now because we have more than enough, and my place is muddy and slick, and I need some hay really bad. That's what I need. Anyways, so I just been hanging out with this guy. He's such a big boy. So anyways, I think I'll just go ahead and get off here and go inside and try to wake up a little bit more. I did not sleep good last night at all. It's not a good night. Usually I can sleep through thunderstorms, but these were so loud last night. I mean, I even jumped a couple times, so it was loud. It was crazy. But it's always nice if I have a deer and some Cardinals to hang out with in the morning too. So I think I'll pour me some cold coffee. I like the caramel macchiato or the white chocolate mocha kind. So I think I'll pour me some of that, kind of wake up a little bit. So, okay guys, I hope you have a great Sunday Funday. Oh, I should get a shot of him. Oh. I didn't think, well I did, but anyways, he's flying. He's on the, oh, it's a woodpecker. Okay, whoops. I was seeing if I was pecking up there. Seeing if I was going to get a good shot for you guys. He's just crazy flying everywhere. Okay, I'll see if I can get. Sorry, guys. Whoops. If I can get my fingers out of the way. He's right you see him? He's pecking. Yeah. So I hope you guys can see him pecking. Isn't that cool? Good luck, buddy. Keep going. All right, guys. So, anyways, I will see you guys later. Let's hope they all arrive later on this evening. I'm sure they're all wet and soggy because it is just muddy. Oh, wait. Well, hi. I lied. Well, here comes another one. Oh, this is a baby buck. A baby buck here. That happens a lot. I am ready to get off here and call it a day, and then somebody arrives. That happens a lot. So, I'm just trying to get I'm not shaking so much here. So we do have somebody. I was trying to figure out who it is, which baby it is. It looks like it's Mama's, one of Mama's twins. Yeah. Oh wait, is that Munch? Right here. Munch? It is you. Oh my gosh, yay. Well, come on over, honey. You come right over here, honey. Be careful, because it's muddy. Oh, yay. I have some grapes. I didn't bring any apples because wasn't quite sure if I was too late, but yes, I have food in the bowls. Hi. Hi, sweet girl. You did come. Yay, I'm so excited. This makes my Sunday. You want some grapes, honey? I have some grapes. You want some? You want some grapes? I have some just for you. I do. I have a whole table full of them for you. You said to, oh, honey, you're just so wet and soggy. Aw. Hi, buddy. You come running. There you go. Well, hi, guys. Well, I'm glad you came, Munch. I was afraid I missed you. I was afraid I was missing you, Munchie. You poor thing. You want some grapes? Come here. Come here. I have some just for you, baby girl. Somebody else coming up? Come here, sweet girl. I didn't slice an apple because you usually don't come out this late. You're my early girl. You're my early girl. Oh, there's my neighbor out there. It's okay. He's out doing something. Hi, girl. Hi. Oh, honey, you're just all wet and muddy. Here you go, girl. Come here. Look what I have for you. Come here, girl. Come here. She's like, I know, I'm starved. She's hungry. She's hungry. You hungry, old Munch? Is somebody else coming up, Munch? Oh. Marion Jr. just ran off. I don't know. What's spooked? Something did. Yeah, something hit my neighbor's, like she has like something like over there, and something hit the side of the wall there. So that's where she has her logs at, I guess. Yeah, Munchie was even stomping her legs, so something's up. I don't know what. Yeah, I hear it too. There's something out there. Marion Jr.'s back a little bit. I mean, he heard it. I'm not sure. Must be some kind of like, I don't know if it's a raccoon or what it is, but something's over there. Come back, Marion Jr. It's all right. Yeah, she's still on alert. Her baby's like, man, I'm starving. Well, hi, look at this bird. Look at this unique bird. Wow, those are beautiful colors. Look at that. Look at all your colors. Oh, thanks for stopping by. You're beautiful. Those are some unique colors. Now, if anybody knows what kind of bird this is, you just chime in anytime. Let me know. This beautiful bird. I love those colors. Wow, you're just beautiful. Just beautiful. Eat up, there's lots of food. I have a cardinal on my fence too now. He just popped up on my fence. Yay. Munchie, you want some grapes? I'll see if I can roll one too and not go everywhere. There you go. Oh, yes. Perfect. There you go, girlie. Hopefully she'll stop over here and have some grapes. Oh, I have a squirrel up here, guys. Look at this. Oh. He's a beautiful squirrel. It's fun to watch him too. Sit there and eat. Yeah, I didn't really scatter around there because it's just way too muddy. And well, something else is going on. It's got her attention, his attention, Marion Jr.'s attention here. Something's up. God, you're a pretty deer. You're just so pretty. Such a big boy. Such a big boy. Something's up. She's starting to stomp her legs now. And oh, it even has the baby alerted too. And Marion Jr.'s now alerted. Okay, so something's up. So they'll probably be heading out here in just a second. Usually that's my cue too to go, oh, it's a possum. That's what it is. It's a possum. Okay, I wonder if he was over at my neighbor's yard. Okay. I'm not gonna do anything. He's just hanging out there. It's the first time I've ever seen one around my house. It's kind of a big wing. It's a big one. Oh, it's a big one. Okay, buddy. Now he's gonna go hide. Okay. So that was all that was about. I wonder where it's going. I wonder if he's hungry. Hey, Munchie. I wonder if the possum was pregnant. Or if it's just that big. It could be either one. Oh, these guys are like on the hunt now. He must be walking around over there. It's got Munchie's attention too. Oops, that's too much. He must be walking around there. Oh, this is kind of a different kind of morning. This is pretty cool. So, pretty cool. See a lot of different birds and possum. Oh, that was pretty funny. So, well, guys, I was kind of waiting on Munchie here to see if she's gonna come over here and have some grapes. Well, guys, you guys have a good Sunday Funday. This was kind of nice to hang out. This was kind of nice to hang out. And yeah, she might come over here. Hi. Hi, sweet girl. There you go. Have some grapes. Have some grapes, pretty girl. Yeah. I'm so glad you stopped by, Munchie. I didn't think I was going to see you this morning. There we go. You have some more on your table here. I bet you're kind of full. My girl, I think she's pregnant. Yeah. There you go, sweet girl. You're so pretty. You know that? Such a pretty girl. You like those grapes, don't you? I'll have to get some more. I'll buy some more at the store for you. I think you have like 1 pack left. Yeah, that's it. That's all I have. That's all I have. Okay, guys. You guys have a good one. I know I've said that about 100 times now, but you guys do. Really have a good one. I'm going to go ahead and get in the house and pour me some iced coffee. So I'll see you guys later.